Hey guys, Michelle Christie here, the Builderall Queen, also the founder of maxwomen.com and top ranking digitalmarketing.com. Thank you so much for visiting me here on my channel and watching this video. I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page for your business to help you to capture more leads and get more sales. All right, so before I do that though, I want to invite you to join me on the Builderall Queen team. If you are not already on my team, click on the link below this video to get signed up. Also, I want to invite you to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you will get notified each time I upload a new piece of content. Now, let's talk a little bit about the landing page. What is it? So a landing page is a page that is separate from your website. It is a standalone page. It's a page that you create for a specific campaign. Now, a marketing campaign could be anything like a discovery session page. If you're a coach or a consultant and you're accepting discovery sessions for your business, and that's how you are speaking with your potential clients and then converting them into your coaching program. So that's one way. It also is a place that you can create an offer for an ebook. You can capture leads from that landing page into your sales funnel. Okay. You can also use your landing page to warm up potential buyers. And by this, I mean you can create a landing page that is specific to getting a percentage off of a particular product. Or if you are launching a new course, or people can sign up for a percentage off if it's 10%, 20%, whatever it is, and get that percentage off once you have launched that product. Okay. So the landing page is separate from your website. It's a standalone page. The main purpose, which is a hyper focused purpose, is one thing and one thing only. So it's either capturing leads that you can then nurture and convert into clients or into sales, or you're warming up potential buyers for a specific product or a service. Okay. So it's very specific. It's for a campaign. So I'm going to show you how you can create a landing page using Builderall over at builderallqueen.com for your business. All right. So let's go ahead and head over to my page and I'll show you how you can do that in under 10 minutes. Okay. Let's minimize this. Head over to my Builderall account where I'm already logged in. And here I am on my back office. Now I'm going to use the Pixel Perfect Builder and I'll tap into it. I will hit enter. Next, I'll tap on new website. Here we have a ton of templates that you can choose from to create your landing page. I'm going to create a simple landing page using a blank template. So here I'm going to select the blank page. I'll show you how easy this is to do. So let's go ahead and edit. Okay, great. So here it is, just a clean layout. It has the header, the body of the page, and the footer. That's it, right? I'm just going to tap on this and this little ball here or a circle. I'm going to just move it up, tap onto it and move it up. And I'll actually do the same for the footer. A little bit larger. Awesome. Okay. Next, I'm going to go into the plus sign. And what I like to do is I like to add a banner. And I do this because it makes it so much easier to change anything and to customize and move things around that's in this banner. Okay. And you'll see how that helps once we look at the mobile version. Now I can right click and change the color. Just tap into it and go to more colors. Here you can type in your color code and tap on enter. Now you can also save the color here by just tapping on save color and tapping on OK. And next, let's go ahead and add an image. So tap into image, select the first option, and I'll place this right here on my banner. I'm going to double tap to add my image. Here you can upload an image or select one that's already inside of your Builderall account. Let's go ahead and use this image because it's there. I hadn't planned it that way, but why not? We have our Max Women magazine that's coming out, so Well, let's just go ahead and select. I just tapped on it and it should drop it right here inside of the image. All right, so there's our image. Now I'm going to add my sign up form here. Let's scroll down and we are going to use email marketing form. Let's just select this one. Here, I'm just going to hold it and drag it over here. And let's place it right about there. Now I'm going to right click and change my appearance here on this email custom form. So I'm just going to tap into this wheel, edit the style. Okay, and I want to change the style of the button. So let's go ahead and tap into the plus sign. I want to change this color and I'm going to use the color green. Okay. And I can save this color, tap on OK. I'm also going to change the way that this looks. I don't like those rounded corners. I want it to be square. Again, this is just my preference. So I'll just go in here and zero these out. And that's it. We're all done with that. Awesome. All right. So look at what we have so far. It's almost finished. Now we just need our call to action. Okay, so let's go ahead and tap into our plus sign, add our text. I'll select my H1. I'll move it over here and I'll just center everything. Let's make it white and see what that looks like. That looks great. And I always like to add a little disclaimer here. Or I don't know if disclaimer is the right word for it, but I like to add just a little message letting everyone know that we don't sell our email list. Okay, so let's just go ahead and go back into our text. I'm going to go all the way down to a paragraph. I'm just going to use a body small and I will drop it right there. I'll change the color, make that black, and center to make it 2 lines. So I'm just dragging it in. And we can even make this text a little bit smaller. So I would tap on New Style, and instead of it being 13, we probably want to make it an 11. That's fine. Okay. Now add 3 reasons why they want to sign up. Okay, so let's go ahead and tap on the plus sign again. I'll use our H2 here. And let's make a bullet point with these. So we will go with business building articles. What else is going to be in our magazine? We are going to have recommended products and services. We will also have featured women in business stories, plus more. Now we can change this to white as well, so it pops. And I'll also change this to a smaller font size. All right, let's go with a 24. That looks fine. All right, I'll just move this over a bit. Drop it right about there. Preview, and there is our landing page. Now we can add, for example, our logo if we wanted to do that. And I would just tap here, go into image or text, depending on what your logo is. Double tap. Let's use this logo. Tap on confirm. Make this a lot smaller. And I would drop it here. This tells me that it's going to show up on every page, right? So I'll just move this down a tad bit. I would right click and make sure it's centered on the page. Here at the bottom, I can add a footer as well. Let's go ahead and do that. And I'll use text. I'll use the body small, add it here, and you'll see it by the yellow marks that I'm adding this on all the pages of the site. Type in the name of my business. So maxwomengroup.com. To create a link, all you would do is highlight the text or the image, tap on that link, and let's connect this to our Max Women Group website. So it's HTTPS, and then it's www.maxwomengroup.com. You can have it open in the same tab or in a new tab. I'll select a new tab and tap on OK. Now this text is an actual link. If I hover over, you'll see that there's a little line. It's underlined here, okay? Awesome. Now, the last thing that we need to do is to make sure that our mobile version is looking great, because this is created from scratch. So everything's going to be on the right-hand side of the mobile version, and we need to bring it onto the page. Let's start with our logo. So we'll drop that on to the header. I like to right click and just make sure that that's centered there as well. Now, this is why I used a banner. So I can just hold on to the entire banner, bring it onto the page, and drop it right there on the page. Now it's easy for me to style the rest of the content. Okay. So I just center my element and then move that up a bit. Here's my footer. Just going to move this down a bit and drop this right here on my footer. So easy to do. Don't need to be techie to create this at all. Now, if I want to move an element that's overlapping another element, what I do is just tap on it. I get this blue arrow, I hold onto it, and I just drag it down. It moves everything in place. So that's a nice way to style your page and not mess everything up. So let's go ahead and tap into this, right click and center this form as well. And if you wanted to change the size on the mobile version, you can right click. If I wanted to change the size, tap on customization. You can move this over here so we can see what it looks like. And we can take this down to a font that looks a lot better on the mobile. So 22 looks great. Just tap out of it. Again, I'll tap onto this, hold on to that blue arrow, and then drag it up in place. I'll make this smaller as well. Again, right click, customization. I could take this down to probably, let's go with an 8. So there we have that. Take this down a notch as well. And that looks great. I'll move this up a bit. Right click, center. And it's just easy to move everything else up after that, okay? So there you have it. Just move my footer up, move this up a little bit. That is the mobile version. So that is your landing page. When someone lands on this page, all they will see is the offer to sign up to receive their issue of the Max Women in Business magazine. So I want to see how you're going to create your landing page and your offer. Again, it's super easy to do. Come back and watch this video. You can do this in 10 minutes or less and have your offer up and ready to start collecting those leads and converting them into sales. In the next video, I'll show you how to use Mailing Boss to connect the email opt-in form right inside of Mailing Boss. Again, if you are not a part of my Builderall Queen team, I invite you to join me on builderallqueen.com. If you are interested in getting a 7-day free access, go ahead and click on the link below this video. You get 7 full days to just sign up and look around inside of Builderall. You also have access to me right inside that platform. You can send me a message and I'm happy to answer any questions for you. Again, all my links are below this video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Michelle Christie, your online visibility coach and social media expert. Take care and God bless.